guys, it's a cool kid, Nico. So we're back with another video.
Again.
So today we will be having. So today we will have a pack opening, variety pack opening, but it's kind of different. It's elevate style. So and I see my stamina. I had 999 stamina, but I think I used some for this pack opening. And I could have like 50 of the elevate packs. I just want to do like small variety pack opening. I also want cash. I mean not cash. A coin. I was gonna do some gold packs, trade ups, some golds, but like I don't want to use my NBA cash now because for other promos and stuff. So let's go and get this variety pack opening started. 14 packs. This is elevate style. And we got some bonus packs. So let's get started on our pack opening. Okay, so guys, I need to go on mobile. I've been doing a lot of grinding. As you get Tyson Chandler, like we got some of these packs. I could have got like way more, but it's all they're good because I don't want it to be like so long. I could have got, but like for my next pack opening, I'll be having like 50 elevate packs. So let's start off with this. It's 5 to the lead. I did like a trade, I think, of golds. Is this somebody like that I follow on like? No. It's on fan base.
I jumped at the car.
Oh yeah, and comment down below if you want me to do roll to the top thing for elevate. So basically, so I can get them to like 100 overall, elevate players. So let's see. Oh, I can trade these in actually. There we go. I can actually trade these in. If you go to daily beats, I had that trade up. You can get an elevate platinum training token. Let's add that into our pack opening. So let's head over to that. So now let's open these packs. Hopefully I can pull some elevate tokens. I mean some elite elevate tokens. Some gold. Another gold. Another gold. Gold are also good too, guys.
Because the Warriors they won
Ooh! First elite training.
2K League champions, the Warriors. Started. I think it's a tournament to turn.
We put our first elevate token. We put our first elevate token. I'm so excited for that. And we put another gold. I thought we had an elevate. I mean elite. So we are slowing. And then I'm gonna use my player sets before I get off. Cause after this video, I'm gonna have to edit and probably upload tomorrow. So yeah.
Well, I'm getting a bunch of that. It's kind of weird. So
here's the pack I've been looking for. Not this one, but after this one. Bam. So the platinum. I've never seen a platinum elevate token. That's looking nice. Probably that's looking. I don't know, but let's see our players. Do we have any elevate players? Not sure. Oh, we do. We got a Blake. I'm gonna try to upgrade the.
It's kind of weird on this game. You can't take cover.
I'm not going for the Russell.
You can take
see what you can. What can you put your Russell up to? 95. I don't need a 95 PG. I don't need 95 PG. Let's see the one in Hayward.
He flew off the building standing up. What the hell? I killed him by accident again. I am not, but what's getting him on nerves?
95. I can't have any 95s. I need like, cause for this Melo is really a 99. It's really a 99. Like Covington, please, like a 99. 95. And nothing cannot top my Garnett. Nothing. Nothing can not turn my grenade. So
I killed that game by accident.
let me see.
Bro, I'm tired.
Oh, it's 5,000. That is new. So guys, I hope you like this video. I need to go and edit this video actually. So like, subscribe, comment, and peace.